My name is Miranda. I am 72 years old. I live at Ratodi, Malad West, Mumbai 95. I was suffering from my knee pain for nearly 15 years. I took various treatments and various doctors told me to go for knee replacement. But as for my age, I didn't want to go, and for no financial help also, I could not go. So some of my friends, they guided me to come to Ayushakti. So she took me directly to Dr. Smita. She guided me to Dr. Uday Singh, and I'm being treated here. So after this treatment, I got relief of about 50%. And I'm told to continue the medicines, and it will take 2 years for healing.